Namaste to all. Today International Yoga Day. It is a blissful day for each and every one of the world. So, the topic I would like to talk about here today is yoga because I would like to share you that where I learned yoga, what knowledge I gained from yoga and from my gurus and the changes in my life with that knowledge. Once I happened to read a couple of books on yoga and got a little knowledge from it and that brought me to yoga. Because when I read the book, the theory of yoga was so influenced me. So I went straight to Vivekananda Kendra in my hometown Kodungalur. It is the branch of Kanyakumari Kendra. When I reached there, the atmosphere changes as soon as we enter the gate of the beautiful place. Because the continuous chanting of Onkara and chanting of mantras takes us to a world of devotion and positive energy. For the first time, I met Sri Sudhakarji, our respected Guru, and I expressed my desire to learn yoga. Then Guruji said it's okay, there is a certificate course in yoga and wanted me to join for it. I joined there for the YCC course. That beginning was the greatest blessing of my life. The first class was done by our esteemed Lakshmi Amma. Amma was the former head of Kanyakumari Kendra and now Amma is the head of our Kodungalur branch. The thing I say on every occasion today is the first sentence of Amma in our first class. The nectar given by mother gave us was that if yoga comes into your life, everything else will come automatically. I can assure those words for the people in front of me that it is 100% literally true from the changes that have taken place in my life. Then the classes started. The classes of our Guruji, Sri Sudhakarji, and the classes of our Lakshmi Amma, and the chanting classes of Vedas, Mantras, Bhagavad Gita, and anatomy by our Sutapa Didi all took us to the abyss of knowledge. Then I did a diploma in yoga, US Alliance TTC in yoga, and now I am doing BSc in yoga. I did all these courses from other universities. I can confirm one thing from that experience that there is no other systematic study as that of Vivekananda Kendra and from our gurus. Because my other certificates got a good grade, of course, from the knowledge given by our gurus' hands. So, today we know that the epidemic of COVID has been spread all over the world. Everyone suffers a lot mentally and physically. Many commit suicide. I think this is because when a problem arises, we do not have the physical or mental strength to find a solution for it. Our physical health can only be improved if we are mentally healthy. This is where the glory of yoga comes into play. If we make yoga as a part of life, we will be able to overcome many difficult situations. Yoga is not just about an external performance. We get the real results of yoga when we copy the theory of yoga in our life because it changes our thoughts, actions, attitudes, our empathy, and to a higher level of culture and humility. And the practice of yoga, that means Surya Namaskar, asanas, pranayama, and meditation, gives us intelligence, discipline, and good character, especially for students and the young generation. So we should always share what we have experienced with those on the other side. From that, I assure that my colleagues, my gurus, and anyone associated with yoga or who have made yoga as a part of daily life will not have been affected by COVID. So, yoga is an invaluable treasure given us by our Guru series. I think my little words will be an inspiration to everyone. If you have done anything aspect with yoga in this COVID era, please take yoga as a part of your life from today because yoga is a magical science. It gives a magical change in your life. So once I request you, all my friends, please make yoga as a part of your life and experience the magic of yoga. and I bow the feet of my gurus for the knowledge given to me, and I have who have enabled me to pass the little knowledge given to me, and wish you all the best. Wish you a happy International Yoga Day. Thank you.